Anus doesn't have a sexual orientation. So what you like, what you do necessarily doesn't mean that you have certain sexual orientation. I'm Dr. Nazanin Moali, clinical psychologist and certified sex therapist. We recently released our episode number 400 of the Sexology podcast, and we got a lot of questions from our listeners. I selected few of them that I hear often in my own private practice in LA as well to share with you in the hope that they can help you to get answer to some of the questions that you might have. If you want to listen to these videos in these series, make sure you are subscribing to our YouTube channel. All right, let's go to the question. Does having an interest in pegging mean that I'm gay? Well, this is one of the common misinformation that people have, and people are scared of verbalizing that this is something that they're interested in, because they're scared that it shows that they're gay when they have no interest in having sex with men, or they're scared of getting judged by their partner. There's a big number of men that they enjoy getting penetrated anally. For a number of different reasons, this can be very helpful and pleasurable. First of all, men can experience prostate orgasm, and that can only happen through pegging. If you're curious about what pegging is penetration through anus that usually happens with a dildo. As one of my colleagues who works with people of all gender always talk about, is your anus doesn't have a sexual orientation. So what you like, what you do necessarily doesn't mean that you have certain sexual orientation. If this is something that you're interested in and you wanna explore it, first of all, my invitation for you is to talk about it outside the bedroom with a partner. There are many women that are interested in doing this for you. It can be a huge turn on for them because there's an element of power play there. But this is not something that you randomly say during the act of sex and hoping that the partner would be open to it. You want to talk about it outside the bedroom. You can just send them this video if you are shy to talk about it and you're scared of getting judged by them. You're scared that they think perhaps you're gay. Ask them, like, anal stimulation is something that really turns me on. What do you think about it? And give them space to kind of verbalize their thoughts. And sometimes it's really helpful if we have an idea what turns us on specifically. Maybe when you're saying pegging, you have a specific things in your mind, and when your partner hear about it, maybe that's something that they've seen in the porn and it's just not what they're interested in. It feels very intimidating. So having a clear conversation about it, it's important. If you choose to experiment with it, it's really important to prepare your body. First of all, I think it's really important to do anal training. This is a butt plug, the smaller size. It's really important to practice wearing it for a few minutes every other day, if this is a new behavior for you, to train your body to be able to receive anal sex. For your partner, there are tons of classes online and free videos that they can check out to learn what to do if they're new into pegging. We have a specific video on this topic at Sexology podcast. They can check it out. Many of my clients, they say that they prefer to get the harness, try it, wear it around the home for a few times to get comfortable with it before trying it with the partner. And remember, communication is the key. So if you start this is something that's new, it's important to be able to have a safe word with your partner and use tons of lube. If you have experimented with pegging, you want to share your thoughts, your opinion on it, make sure you are putting it in the comment. If you are interested in different ways to spice your sex life tonight, you can download our free checklist of 9 foreplay ideas that you can do tonight below this video.